G'day you as well. I decided to go through my resistor stash and I found the closest matching resistor. There was one here which is supposed to be 200 ohms and it measured 1.3 kilo ohms. It was way over. So I managed to find a close enough resistance. It's a 220 ohm, I didn't have any 200 ohm. Most resistor standards now, I just use a tolerance, so 200 ohms is no longer a standard resistance value anymore. All resistors these days have a tolerance, so you can put a close matching one with the right tolerance and it'll work. This is a 220 ohm one, and that's got, what's the best I could have, so no tolerance, so extra 20 ohms shouldn't hurt it. That's supposed to be a 404 ohm, I think. I've got to find some 400 to 480 ohm resistors to replace that one, because that's a little off. So yeah, it's all over the shop. So the tuner does work perfectly. I don't think it's in the tuner circuit, because I can pick up radio station interference, get the audio from local radio stations and my modulator and everything, and I can actually hear the chroma coming through in the noise, in the sound from the colour picture. That works perfectly in that section. So I think it leads me to believe the problem with not getting a good bright raster and no video signal is in the horizontal section. Because when I tweak the horizontal hold control, nothing. So it's in the horizontal circuit. So I'm going to trace everything off this valve here. That's a horizontal output valve. Got to trace everything from there onwards. Start from that section of the TV circuit. I reckon that's where it is. As I said, it's a long-term project. I've actually set this hard drive back to master again. Put the jumper back in the right spot, and this is all happy now. I put this power supply back in, it did some more measurements, and now the voltages are correct. It's actually like new to specs now, so changing that capacitor, I did something. I had it sitting there for a bit and never used it for a bit, and now it seems to have come good after I changed that capacitor. The logic controller in there was something, must have needed time to reset itself or recalibrate itself or something, because now when I use this, the Wi-Fi is good now. It's actually quite strong, almost as good as that one. Beautiful. Then when I turn this thing off, it doesn't turn itself back on, so I've done something right. I also took the CMOS battery out and measured it, and it's good, it's not flat. Now I did another thing I've came up, put a Core 2 Duo in it, and definitely not supported. Strictly Pentium 4 only, this board. Single core processor. Supports a Celeron one too, but they're crap, so a Pentium 4 is a good processor. It's just a bit too much of a room heater by today's standards. Had it supported a Core 2 Duo, I would have used that. Would have made this board a little bit more usable, but a Pentium 4 is perfectly usable by today's standards. There's nothing wrong with it. It just would have run cooler had it supported the Core 2 Duo. But I'm not too worried about that. The Pentium 4 is a pretty damn good processor, even still today. I might I've got another copy of XP Professional, like what's on here, 32-bit. There's some spare keys I've found, so hopefully I can get it to all activate. Should I want to reformat this thing with 32-bit Professional XP, which apparently, yeah, that's what's on this one, which is better off anyway. I could just whack this hard drive in it. So what I might do, have two hard drives to see what happens. Because I could get more out of this board with Professional, the normal XP Professional. Yeah, it's actually quite a nice machine. This is too, even though it's got Windows Me crap, the shitty OS, but I've had no choice. That's the only thing the drivers would work on. The DOS games all seem to work, but the after an hour or so of playing, the sound turns off. Windows is alright, but with DOS gaming, the sound goes away for some reason. It mutes itself. I have to reset the computer in order for the sound to come back. I've had that problem a lot even with my old original MSI board that was in this one. When I had Windows 98 in this machine originally, in its new when it was new. This did the same thing as well. The sound would stop working on DOS games. So much just a common thing that DOS does. But I've got I put Rampage, Duke Nukem, heap of other classic games, Stunts. I'm trying to get that to install, but it expects me to install it off a floppy disk, which I've got everything's there. I should just click it and install it from the Windows like I should with all the other games, but for some reason Stunts is asking me to install it off a floppy disk. But anyway, that's all nice and working really good now. Just needs that RAM, and to get the most out of that RAM, I gotta put the this hard drive in it, give it a check, give it a test. Yeah, I'll leave this for Windows Me crappy operating system. All I do is want it for gaming, and that's it. DOS gaming. That's all I really want it for. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.